Can an airliner create enough G-forces for the pilot to pass out? Let's test it. Now you can choose your pilot's resilience to G-forces. You can either pick a civilian pilot or a fighter pilot. Of course, we're picking civilian pilot. We're here in the 777. First, I'm just gonna climb as fast as I can and see if we can get anywhere near. Here we go. Oh, there's no way. Next, we're gonna get some altitude, try to spiral down and see if that does any better. Now we're here at 30,000 feet. Let's spiral down and see if we can make this pilot pass out. Come on. Ooh, he's starting to breathe hard. I don't know if you can hear that. Come on. He's trying. So close, come on. Oh my gosh, we're starting to black out. Oh my God. Oh, we did it! We were like 3,000 feet above the ground. Oh my God. Make sure you guys tell me what airliner you want to see next do this challenge.